our offer to Dinesh Trivedi that better you should leave, quit the party which encourages, pampers, awards the dishonest and come to our party. Dinesh Trivedi is basically the product of Congress party.
TMC MP Dinesh Trivedi, in an interview to Times Now, spoke out against his party in connection with the manner in which revelations from the Narda sting were handled. The MP claimed that he did not campaign for the party for the polls, as honesty was punished in the TMC.
If honesty is punished and dishonesty is rewarded, I think that's a sad day. So, process continues as long as the bigger picture is the country. I personally have no regret as long as you do the right thing, because I have no confusion in my mind that it's the country which matters. Parties come and go.
The opposition, emboldened by Trivedi's comments, launched a scathing attack against the Mamata government, claiming that the TMC chief had forgotten the promises she had made before coming to power.
I welcome this as an honest speaking MP, as a confession, because he raised this issue from his party when Mamata Banerjee wanted to hide under cover and try to cover up this NardaNews.com expose. So where is transparency, where is probity, where is honesty? And Mamata Banerjee came to power saying that values, and she forgot about the values and only knew the value of money.
दिनेश त्रिवेदी ने बोला है, वो जो बोल रहे हैं वो सच बोल रहे हैं, और इसलिए अब जब दिनेश त्रिवेदी इतने बड़े नेता जब तृणमूल के होकर ये चीज़ बोलते हैं, तो बंगाल की जनता को समझना है कि टीएमसी में रखा क्या है। टीएमसी के अंदर सच्चाई है नहीं, और दिनेश त्रिवेदी जी की बात को सुनते हुए जो आने वाला आखिरी चरण है उसमें टीएमसी को बाहर करना चाहिए।
The Trinamool Congress, which is facing a three-way contest in West Bengal, has refused to comment on MP Dinesh Trivedi's remarks. The TMC instead claimed that the election's result will show what the final word on the party's performance is.
One thing is very clear: who has told it, who has nothing told it. In democracy, people are the last word. I am not commenting that as because I am in the vote process. As because he has made a comment which we have not seen, I have heard. Definitely we will be discussing the party after that.